step out, get some in now, let your XOXO.
Hello Cheri, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheri. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. And if you're not, welcome back. I do want to start off by apologizing. I recorded all these clips with no sound. I did not know, so I have to do a voiceover, but I hope you guys still enjoy this video. Now what I'm talking about here and pretty much explaining is I've had my hair in flexi rods for 3 days. Before we even dive into it, I have had this braids in for about 2 weeks and 3 days, and I'm just trying to show you guys how you can revive your braids. Now my braids were not that bad because I have washed my braids once, but as you can see, the hair still looks pretty good even though it needs some work. I'm just showing you guys up close. The reason why I felt like I needed to revive it is after 3 days, some flexi rods on one side were still kind of curly and the other ones had dropped, and then the curls in the back were not defined at all, and the two different textures was just throwing me off. So I decided to revive it, and I'll show you guys how I exactly did that. As you can see, the back, like I said, some of the pieces, the curls are not even seen. But that's also simply because I have been putting my hair in a ponytail a lot. But I do want to show you guys how easy it is to revive your hair. When I revive my hair, I only use 3 products. You really don't need much with human hair. Also, I don't revive it every single day. I usually do it every other day or every 2 days, every 3 days, because the hair holds up really good. I really don't have to do this, but I know a lot of people struggle with their human hair still tangling, so if you add this to your routine, your hair will last you longer. What's in this water bottle is just water, nothing added to it. I just like to make my hair damp before I apply the leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair, just section off the back from the front so we can work in sections. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair up. I love this brush. You can use any other brush, but this brush I'm showing you guys right here, I love it, y'all. I just got this when I got this hair. I needed a new brush and I am hooked. The bristles are so fine. It gets through all the hair really nicely. It doesn't really tug it as much. It's very gentle. I'm obsessed. I also do want to emphasize that I do think that your human hair lasting, having good quality human hair also helps, because I've had people say that their hair still gets tangled and human hair is the same, whatever. I feel like they're selling you bundles that are mixed with synthetic, to be honest, because this hair has been holding up pretty good. Like most of the times I'll do it bulkily, like I won't do it in section because it really does not need it. But right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and start wetting the hair, dump it, and then start defining it. Once I finish spraying it, I do like to go in with my hands and detangle. And as you can see, by just the water and finger detangling, your hair is already looking better. So, you know, just taking those little steps really makes a difference. Once we do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my conditioner. I use the Dove conditioner. You can really use whatever conditioner works for you, whatever you like. I don't think it really matters. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that. I kind of use too much here. You don't need this much. But if you have curly hair, you know, the more the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that, and then I like to scrunch it up to, again, further define those curls. Then in a little bit, I'll show you guys how it looks up close. This is how the hair looks, and as you can see, the curls are fully defined all the way to the bottom. You can already tell the difference, y'all. Seriously. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same process all over my head, and then I'll be back. Once I'm done with my whole head, I go in and just use the lock-in spray. Again, it's from Dove. I just love their products. It smells really good and it just holds the curls and prevents so much freeze. I kind of like my hair to stay the same even when it dries. I want it to stay defined, so I'll go ahead and scrunch it up again to just further define the curls and lock in that hairspray. And this is how we're looking. If I did not have any new growth, you would think this hair was installed today. It looks really good. No tangles or nothing. I am literally obsessed. Like, seriously, look at that. And it's gonna take you less than 3 minutes. Like, seriously, it's not a lengthy process and it's well worth it. If you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you so much. I really hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.